Welcome students. In this video, let us do some more questions on the factor theorem and the remainder theorem. Using remainder theorem, find small a if x cube plus 5x square minus ax plus 6 when divided by x minus 1 leaves remainder 2a. So in this question, fx value is x cube plus 5x square minus ax plus 6. This is fx. This is a polynomial in x, an expression of x, a function of x. Now he says use remainder theorem. What did the remainder theorem state? We have already discussed. It states that when fx is divided by x minus a, f of a is the remainder. So what is divided by x minus 1? So the remainder will be f of 1. So let us put 1 in place of x. On simplifying, we will get 1 plus 5 minus a plus 6. And he says leaves remainder to a. That means this remainder, when fx is divided by x minus a, f of a is the remainder, then it leaves the remainder 2a. That means this remainder should be equal to 2a. So an equation will get formed and you can solve for a. On solving, you will get a as 4. So this is how we make use of remainder theorem in solving such questions. Let us do one more question based on this. If x plus 2 comma x plus 3 are factors of this, so here fx is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. He says x plus 2 is a factor. That means f of minus 2. By remainder theorem, we know that when fx is divided by x minus a, then f of a is the remainder. So if x plus 2 is the factor, then the remainder should be 0. So f of minus 2 should come to 0. So find out f of minus 2 first and put it equal to 0. So you get minus 8 minus 2a plus b equal to 0, or you can say minus 2a plus b is equal to 8. This is equation number 1. I have two unknowns, so I should have minimum 2 equations so that I can solve for those two unknowns. Where will the second equation come from? From the another fact that x plus 3 is also the factor. So for that I will find out f of minus 3, which is equal to minus 3 cube plus a into minus 3 plus b equal to 0, because x plus 3 is a factor. So f of minus 3 should be 0. No remainder will come because factor completely divide. So minus 27 minus 3a plus b equals 0. So I get minus 3a plus b equal to 27. Now I have to solve 1 and 2 to get a and b. Just copy the first one below the second one and subtract. So we will subtract the equations. So b get cancelled. I get minus a is equal to 19. So a is equal to minus 19. You can put it back in any one of the equations. Minus 3a, so minus 3 into minus 19 plus b is equal to 27, or b is equal to 27 minus 57. So you will get minus 30. So we got the value of a and b. I hope you have understood how to attempt such questions. In the next video, I'll solve few more questions. So gradually, I will upload videos in which questions from all the chapters will be solved, and I will put those videos in the concerned chapter in the playlist, which will be named after the chapters. So please keep visiting the channel you subscribe the channel so that whenever I upload the new video you will get some notification. And thank you very much children for your support, your likes and subscriptions. Thank you.